Hey, how's it going? Just another market update, on this smoky afternoon. you know, this shit crazy. People riding by here in their N95s on. I'm like, whatever. But yeah, we getting that smoke here from the Canada wildfires. Shit crazy. I was up this morning, still can't see the sun. It ain't clouds. The smoke is so thick you can't even see the glow. Like, how like on a cloudy day you'll see like the glow behind the clouds somewhere, and like that's where the sun is. You can't even see that shit through the smoke. It's just like dim. It's been it's wild, but yeah. So that's what that is. The market been, it's been bopping in a range. I'm still trying to figure out how to get certain things going on here so I want to be able to go live, but show my screen and do the mark. You know what I'm saying? Show my charting and looking different things up. But as is right now, I just got to make a separate video when I look things up, which means I got to get off my live, do a video, and it's all good though. So let's see. Ethereum still downtrend. It's got a little pull up right now. Let's see. Go to hourly on a 4 hourly. It's got a little green bar. Let me switch over to the hourly. Oh, that's just because it just switched over. The 12 o'clock is the first hour. So that's nothing. That looks like it's just going to be roll over cascade down. Like I said, I'm really looking to see Ethereum hit that 1800 level before we get a rebound. So when it gets to the 1800 level, I'm gonna close out my sell off my short tokens. But really, I'm doing research. Most of my research right now I'm doing is when we get into the bull, well, not a bull market, but we get into another big bounce like we had the first few months of the year, first like 3 4 months of the year. We had a real good bounce coming in. Um, I'm really trying to look at what plays I want to make for that bounce time because those bounces could be vital. Uh, you know, it could really increase your net worth, your investment worth. Um, you know, especially if you use a combination of buy low, sell high, and then do the trading bots. Excuse me. All this smoke outside, and then this here, it don't help. But beyond that, just see it was just doing my thing. Um, I don't know. I might get a little live session going on, talking about sports. I got my little bro Ed, who we love talking sports together. I might do a little do some sports streams up on here. We talk about more about classic sports and comparing eras and how we feel about certain players. Just for something to put up here, because to be real, he's the one that gave me the idea about doing a YouTube channel, but he was talking about doing it for sports. But don't get me wrong, as much as I love my sports, I love my football, basketball, so baseball. I like going to baseball games. Don't get me wrong, I love going to a game, but um, he he been telling me for a while now I need to get and do a sports show. I just don't have time to keep up on the markets, keep up on current sports. do this. I got a family. I work full time. I'm a nurse, so I don't have time to keep up on all of that. So, anyways, so I'm on my phone checking out markets, checking out different coins and stuff. One that I've really been uh, looking into a lot is Phantom FTM. Phantom. Um, so it's down to 29 cents. Let's see on the daily. Yeah, see, it's still coming. It's not down to that 14-cent low. So it's still up 100% from the low back in. Oh, that was 16, but still damn near 100% from the lows back in 2011, 6 months ago. So 6 months ago was the lows. So I'm looking, the way I see it right now, Phantom would be a good play. I think it's going to make a jump up because it's in a descending channel. So I think it's going to make a jump up to, you'll see the support line going from the 65 to, from the 65 to the 54. So it's going to jump up to wherever if you continuation that over. If you continue that over, I think you'll see it run up to about there sometime in the not too distant future. But also be careful. It looks like it's making another giant M pattern. Um, that could send serious bad news, sending fandom down into the single digits. If it goes down to single digits, that'll be a huge opportunity. So definitely that's something I want to keep an eye on. H bar is another one. Let's see, H bar. If we're looking at it on the daily, it's doing the same thing. Not quite as pronounced as Phantom, but it's still on this downward spiral trend. But I see it more as either a just broken descending triangle or possibly a downward sloping channel. But I still am feeling breaking towards the bottom. 3.5 cents is the low. I think we definitely are going to test the lows. I think we're going to break it on H bar. I think a lot of these altcoin lows we're going to break, and I'm more confident in that than Bitcoin because these altcoins, we didn't really get the altcoin season, so we didn't get all that huge money rushing in. People took their profits from Bitcoin and kept them, or they're letting them ride in Bitcoin. So, you know, we never really saw that alt season as it grew. Who knows? We saw meme coin season. It's like they kind of skipped the alts. So, I don't know. But the charts are pretty easy to play on it. If you pretty much like you take the direction of Bitcoin and you use that to influence your reading the chart because they'll have different structures, but they'll end up going in the same direction. So if you read Bitcoin, you got Bitcoin in a clear uptrend, and then you got the pattern coming to an end, boom, the altcoin odds are it's gonna move to the up because Bitcoin moving to the up. Those are just little tricks I use reading the charts. By no means am I a chart master, um, but the way I do it is I wait till something's real obvious to me before I start relying on that to put money into something. So if it's obvious we have this resistance line and we go into it, and I think we're on a downtrend, you know, obviously I put my money in to let it roll down. Or same thing vice versa. We're in an uptrend and we're bouncing off support right into a long. and be able to get it up. Um, like I said, it just follows right along with Bitcoin. Um, Not percentage and day by day, and not every single one, but yeah, to kind of help guide your fundamental analysis, not your fundamental, but your technical analysis on the alts. You just gotta kind of ride Bitcoin and see where it's going. The H bar definitely, I'm thinking down, down. Um, and like I said, I could see these making little breaks to the upside, but you know, quickly rolling back over, right back on down, and continuing to move on down. Um, like I say, like small bounces off of supports, but just breaking support. Uh, you know, Ethereum can't get above that 1840 mark. It's back down under 1840 a little bit. It's been, this last hour or so, been jiggling around there. But I'm confident it's going to move down. If you watched Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin just had kind of well, that's on the day. Let me see. We'll go to the hourly. Yeah, Bitcoin on the hourly not looking healthy. Not at all. 4 hour. Yeah, it's really not looking healthy. I mean, we really seen Bitcoin come back down to 25. I mean, it's possible it could be going up into an ascending triangle or making an ascending wedge or whatnot. But with all the things going on, I think everything's taking a hit. Because if you saw the bop, it slammed, it came flying back up, but it kind of said, nope. So, there are a lot of people out there saying business as usual. I don't think so. Oh, yeah, there was a Seth Galloway that I wanted to listen to. Seth Galloway. 12-minute update. Let's get this going.
resistance, very clear right here. This is your downside support. If support breaks, we're going to 24,000. That's your next target. Now, if we go to the upside, this is your resistance. Now, if we get over this 28.3 level, we're going to head back to 30,500, which is the top. And I call that. And again, lots of people were doubters. There were so many haters out there talking about, 30,500. It's now breakout. It's going to 100,000. The charts are the charts, folks. I know with the probabilities. Everything I look at is always based on probabilities. The bottom line is, if we go back to the chart right now, yes, it was one that was yesterday, that trade opened, but we're still in this pattern formation.
Yep.
It's a bearish pattern formation.
Mm-hmm.
And the chart is telling us that there is a slightly higher probability to downside still. What would change that? If we get above this 28.3 level. We get above 28.3, it opens the door to retesting the highs. The highs will be resistance, but that at least will open the door to it. And again, this is just bias. It's just that's what the chart's saying. You can be one of those people that lives on opium, that's fine. Or you can be someone who is a realist and a logical thinker. Those are the people in general that will make money in the markets. The Ethereum chart, by the way, you're stuck within parallels. Now, parallels are one of the most powerful things out there. If you find parallels, you will find parallel after parallel after parallel. Look at this. So we're basically, again, stuck in this parallel between these parallels, bouncing above and down. We were stuck over here in a parallel, and we went up to this parallel up here. Same thing applies. This is a bearish consolidation pattern off of this downward, right? That means that probabilities for this parallel dictate that there's a higher chance of a move lower than higher in the near term. If we get above this line, then you open the door to go to the next line. By the way, technical trading isn't about being a major bull or a major bear. It's about being able to flip when you hit support to go long, when you hit resistance to go short. That is the true nature of it. And again, it's very hard for us as humans to understand that because we are emotional creatures. We get in a trade, usually with too much money, and we become very invested in the success of that. We dream about the millions of dollars we can make. But ultimately, that is the downfall of 99.9% of investors.
Listen to them.
Love things that will
I've been there. That is true.
in general, but shares or stocks and crypto going to give you back? No, absolutely not. As people are complacent, thinking that everything's going to go well, they make the economy just a super soft landing. Earnings will be fine. Nothing else can go around anything else. The debt ceiling was taken care of. Everything is hunky dory. And the problem is that what we know is the Fed continues to probably raise rates later this year. Yes, they will then pause next week. As it happens,
Hopefully there's a pause, but there might not be.
in the next 3 months, the government will have to sell $1 to $1.5 trillion so much what interest rate are they going to have to do? Essentially, this is debt that's going to be refined. You have to essentially refinance. So you're taking debt that was probably at a 1 to 2% interest rate. You're now looking at selling it to the public or to the world at around a 5% interest rate. So think about the U.S. deficit and what that's going to do to the U.S. deficit. By the way, there's a reason why when they passed the debt ceiling, there's no cap on it right now. For the next year and a half to 2 years, no cap whatsoever because you have all these factors here going on where they have to unload a ton more debt to keep America out. So now you're talking about how much is going to be sent to the Fed and then what interest rate is that going to be at. And again, is that a headwind? Well, I don't think so. And it's going to be massive, massive amounts of that could hit consumer goods. There's this
Okay, so he's about to get into all kinds of macroeconomic stuff with bonds and interest rates and things. But crypto still being a risk on asset, it does have a lot to do with us. So just like he was saying, things are going down. That's what I've been saying. Things are on their way down. We have these ranges that we just keep getting into and then moving down and then getting into and then moving down and bounce around and moving down. So that just is what it is. So I'll be back up again, post something a little later, probably get on the charts a little more. Oh, excuse me. show you what he's talking about with the parallels on Ethereum. So thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you can hit me with like and a subscribe. And if you really want to make my day, leave a comment, ask a question. You know. So remember, 100 subscribers, $100 crypto giveaway. Let's get on the way. Got three subscribers. Hey, it's a start.